Hey guys, Models and Beer here. Just a real quick video. I got a kit in the mail today. What I ended up doing is I had a lot of points through HobbyLink. I'm not sure if you're familiar with them. You probably are. But when you order models through them, you incur points. And after you get so many, you can use those towards a kit or something, and they take money off for how many points that you have. And I had a whole mess of points that I didn't realize I had with them, but I did get my Arizona through them, so I dropped a couple of bills on that. And so I had some points built up. So what I was wanting to do, I've always wanted to do a diorama type scene with a kit. And so I was kind of looking through their military vehicles. I thought maybe a tank or something like that would be cool in the mud, with the trees and maybe some rocks and that kind of thing. So I ended up searching around and I found a kit. It's a 1/48th scale. So it's a small model. And I got it for almost next to nothing with my points. I really did. Just a couple dollars. But it looks like a really cool kit, and it's going to be really neat in the diorama in the sense that it's only a 48 scale. I don't need anything huge to do it. I can do it on a smaller, platform type thing. So yeah, so let me show you what I got here. I ended up getting where's it? 1/48 scale Komatsu G40 Bulldozer. And so, yeah, I'm going to weather this guy up, put him in the diorama, and see how my skills go on that. So it should be a challenging type thing for me. Like I said, I've never done a diorama before. I also want to try the hairspray technique for the weathering, and I think this is going to be a perfect kit to do that with. I've never done that either, but I've watched a lot of videos on it, and the effect is really real on, when you get done with that. So we're going to see how that turns out. I have not opened up this box yet, and I thought maybe we'd do it here together on this video really quick. And guys, thank you so much for the positive shout outs that I've been getting, and the positive comments on my Arizona. The guns came out nice. They look really good. And if you haven't seen that, go to my video that I put up yesterday. So yeah, guys, appreciate the input on that. So let me flip this camera around. Let's open this box and let's see what's inside. Okay, here we go. It even comes with a Japanese soldier that you can paint up and mount on there. So yeah, this looks like it's going to be really cool. The box art is really nice. And let me see here. Let me show you the sides. And it's got some stuff here in Japanese. It says, "Oh yo!" No, I'm just kidding. I don't know what that says. Probably the same thing it says up here in the front. But here's the side. Yeah, everything's in Japanese. I hope the instructions aren't Japanese. Unless they got really good pictures, then that'll be fine. So let's see what's inside. I have not opened this yet. It's really detailed kit. Well, let me just go ahead and get these bags open. Let's take a look at this really quick. Here we go. Let me get this out of the way so we can see better. This is one of the first sprues here. Let me find my setting to zoom in here. Here we go. So we can get a better idea of what we're looking at. The tracks are complete. They are one piece, but there is a lot of detail on those. So even once they're painted up, they should look really nice. And here's some of the body of the tractor, and looks like some controls over here. Here's the front grille. But I think the size of this is going to be kind of cool just to do a small, you know, diorama type setup. Let me get this other sprue open here. Like I said, I don't want to do anything too huge. I already got that Arizona that's taking up all my space. But this looks like it's going to be a fun little kit. Here's our Japanese soldier. He's in 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. But these should paint up really nice. And like I said, I'm going to do the hairspray technique on it for the weathering. And I'm really eager to find out how that, you know, works out, because I've never done that before. Okay, here it says Tech Tips. I can get my fingers to work today. And these are instructions, but it's got English along with Japanese. Or these are just the tips. This is not the instructions to the kit. It just gives you tips on building. All right. Here is our instruction sheet. And it looks like it's got it in Japanese, German, and English. Here's your tools that you're going to need. And it looks like to be pretty straightforward, the kit. It doesn't look like anything too difficult. I gotta learn how Jeff puts those instructions on his screen. It'd be so much nicer than having to do it this way. But I'm not gonna do a complete build on video with this. I'm going to go ahead and build it and get it weathered up, and I'll show it that way, and then I'll get the diorama built and put it all together. I might do it in a couple different videos. So anyways, yeah guys, that's what I have. So it looks like a little fun thing, and like I said, the reason for that is for the so I can do a diorama. So I thought that would be a prime candidate in getting that done. Let me get this in the picture here. So yeah, that was just a quick video. That's all I wanted to show you. And I got the anchors coming up on the Arizona. This is going to be kind of set on the back burner. I'm not sure if I want to go ahead and tackle this first, or if I want to tackle the MPC open wheel modified kits that I showed you 2 videos ago. So we'll see how that pans out. So guys, have a great week. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.